Hey guys, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Today I'm going to be teaching Mom how to use Google Meet in Gmail. We're going to do this on an iPhone today. What is Google Meet? Google Meet is an online meeting software similar to Zoom, but through Gmail and through Google. Today I'll show you how to do that on an iPhone. Let's get started. Okay, I'm going to show you today, this is Kurt with Teach Mom How. I'm going to show you today how to use Google Meet from within your Gmail on an iPhone. Okay, so when you're logged into Gmail, to the Gmail app on your iPhone, bottom right you'll see this Meet button. You click on that and you can right here start a new meeting, start an instant meeting, schedule one, or get a meeting link to share, or you can join with a code. So if somebody has emailed you or texted you a code or a link, you can join their meeting by typing that code in here. But for this example, we'll just create a new meeting, start an instant meeting, let it access your camera, let it access your microphone. Right here I can copy right in the middle of the screen. Oh, I look good today. All right. Hey, what's up? I can copy that link and I can send that to people that are supposed to join this meeting. And now I'm ready to go. I'm in my Google Meet. Okay. I can turn my camera off right there by pushing the camera button at the bottom. I can mute my microphone by pushing the microphone button. With these three dots, I can click that and I can add other people to it. I can send messages. I can share my screen. I can turn on closed captions, report a problem, report abuse, or tweak the settings. But that's pretty much all you'll ever use on here is you'll just turn your camera on and off, and you'll mute your mic every now and then so you're not talking on top of people. You can also switch which camera is in view, and that's it. That's Google Meet. It's basically like Zoom meeting, but in Gmail, and you can do it right on in the Gmail app if you go to the bottom right and click Meet. Let's end this meeting. Hope you found that helpful. Google Meet is pretty awesome. It's free, and it's pretty much the same as Zoom, but you can do it right from within the Gmail app. Hey, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Before you go anywhere else, check out this playlist I created for you. Everything you can ever need or want to know about Gmail is found in this playlist. Click the video playlist and watch. Also, please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell for notifications.